My name is Nihal Singh from Proud Technologies. Welcome to the E-Code Software Management System Admin Panel. This is our second video. Alright. So yesterday I have told you about all the panels of admin panel of E-Code Software Management System. I have given the small summary of this software, how this software will work for a code. All right, and sorry. So today I'm going to give you the demonstration of on this panel. All right, what is this? For example, we have all the 14 panels of E-Code Management System. This is the receiving registrar panel, this is the registrar panel, and cashier panel, commissioner, index, chief judge panel, code judge panel, code registrar panel, stenographer panel, secretary, bailiff, gatekeeper, library, and appeal section panel. Alright, so when a case will start from cashier to registrar, registrar to scrutiny, scrutiny to cashier, cashier to indexer, indexer to chief judge to code judge. Alright, like this it will start from clerk to into it will take start from clerk and end at appeal section. Okay, so if you start if you file a case as a petitioner to the clerk, alright, when you click on this panel, so where your case will fall on this screen. Alright, if you file a case, if you file a case on today, so sorry, if you filed a case on today, so automatically this 0 will increase to the 1, right? Because the case will file on today's date, and today's is 16th of February. Alright, and when do you log into the same software on tomorrow, so automatically your case will move from today case file for petitioner to old case file for petitioner. Right, so that is why the most number of the highest digit is 10 is here, because all the cases which are filed automatically it's come to the old case. Alright, when the day is changed, automatically it become a old case. Alright, and this is the total running cases for petitioner. How many cases are running for the petitioner? There are 4 cases. There are 4 cases which are running for petitioners. Alright, and this is the all reject case for petitioner. If there is any case which is reject for petitioner in, then automatically the number will increase here. Okay, so for example, like as here we can see that total running cases for petitioner, it is 4, and if I want to check what are the details of the petitioner, who's petitioner, so when I click on this number, automatically I go to the next page where I can see all the details of the petitioner. Alright, as it is, if I want to check how many old file cases for petitioner, so it is showing 10 here, and if I want to check all the details of old file cases for petition, then I'll click on the 10. Automatically I'll go to the next page where I can see all the details of old file cases for petitioner. Alright, like this, as I clicked on the rejected cases, so there was only 4 cases, and when I click there, I come into this page. Here I can see all the details of the petitioner. For example, like these are the case number. The case number is CR829167. This is a unique number. Alright, if you want to search the case, just type the case number here, and case type, what kind of case it is it a criminal case, is it a civil case, or is it another case. So just if you remember your case number, so you can type your case number here and the type of case, what kind of case it is, civil, criminal, petitioner, or anything else. And this is, and when you click on the search button, automatically it will search the case and fill into the grid view. Alright, and this is the name of the petitioner. What is the name of the petitioner who have filed the case to the clerk panel. right? And these are the respondents. Respondent means that on whom you want to file a case, all right? So who is the rival, who is the enemy, you can say that. Okay, so this is the way you can see all the details of a petitioner. If you want to see, well, this is the short summary of the detail. If you want to see the more details, then just click on this button, so you can get all the basic details of the case number, related case number. So there you get the petitioner name, the respondent name, the address, the phone number, all the details of the case. Okay, so just go click here to go to back. Alright, so this is the receiving registrar panel I am telling you about. And once the case is, for example, like I have old cases for petitioner here, and when I clicked on it, I'll go to the another case. Let me show you once again, so that if you want to check how the software will process automatically, it will increase it, right? So here you can see all the details of old file cases for petitioner. Alright, these are the 10 details as I can see here. So these are the case number, these are the case type, what kind of case it is. It is a criminal case, it is a civil case, or if it is another case. Alright, and this is the petitioner name, and this is the respondent name. Petitioner means that the person who is filing the case, and respondent means that against whom the person is filing the case. It means that you can take as an enemy. Alright, so if you want to search a case, you just need to write your case number here, and what kind of case it is, just civil, criminal, or petitioner, anything. And when you click on the search button, automatically right, when you click on the search button, automatically you will get the particular case on the table. Okay, so this is the way you can search your case. And so what is this? These are the unique numbers, case number. These are the unique case number, like CR871523. So this is a unique case number. So just copy this case number and paste on this text box, and when you click on the search button, automatically you will get the particular case. Alright, so just click to the back button. Yeah, I'm telling you about the receiving registrar panel here. So like this is the way you can see all the details, all the details of a case. Your case is at what stage? Is it laying down in the receiving registrar panel, or registrar panel, or cashier panel, or commissioner panel? Where it is laid down, you can check it automatically. All right, so admin, a person who can see all the cases, which section has how many number of cases, you can see by here, by clicking on these panels, like, right? So that was the receiving registrar panel, and this is the registrar panel. All right, so this is a new panel for us, and here we can see how many cases are laying down on at what stage. Alright, like old cases for process is 0, today cases for process is 0, pending for chief judge. As I told you earlier that the life cycle of this software, once the case is sent back from indexer to registrar panel, registrar checks the indexing, and if it is all clear, then registrar send it back to the chief judge panel. So here, as we can see that today cases for process is 0, pending for chief judge. It means that registrar is the only person who can send the case from registrar panel to chief judge panel. So still 2 cases as pending for the chief judge panel. It means that registrar haven't sent these cases to chief judge. It is still pending for 2 chief judge panel. All right, so if you want to check the details of these cases, who are the petitioner and who are the respondent for these cases who are waiting for the chief judge panel, so just click on this button and you will get into the next page where you can see all the details of all the case details of the cases who are waiting for the chief judge panel. So these are the cases who are waiting for the chief judge panel. These are the case number. It's CR 631669 and the case type is criminal. The petitioner is Federal Republic of Nigeria and the respondent against Aurora Lovely. It's Lovely Aurora, right? So you can, as you can see it here. Alright, when you click on the back button, just click on the registrar panel. So as you can see, the chief judge is list 2, and after that total running cases. How many cases are running into the registrar panel? There are 4 cases who are running into the registrar panel. 2 of in chief judge panel and rest are still for waiting. And after that it is cashier panel. Cashier, who is cashier? Cashier is a person who collects the court fee. Alright, for if you are a petitioner and you file a case against any person, so first you need to pay a small amount to the court. Alright, so that is called a court fee. And who is the person who collect the court fee? That is cashier panel. Alright, so all cases for process add fee 1, and there is only 1 case who had paid the court fee, and first a person pay a court fee, and after that cashier panel collect the court fee. So that is why it is here add fee and collect fee. Once the person paid, it is still to collect, and once it is collect, automatically it comes from cashier panel to commissioner panel, or it may be to indexer panel for the indexing, and after that it is chief judge panel. Alright, so here in the chief judge panel we can see the chief judge panel where today cases for approval is 0, all cases for approval is 1, and court status, if you want to see the court status, you can click on the view button, so you can see the status of court. Alright, so as you can see here, so right now we don't have any status of the court. So just click on the cancel button, so automatically it will remove from here. Okay, chief judge panel, all cases for approval. When you click on this button, you can see the name of the petitioner, name of the respondent, case number and type of case for all cases for approval. It means that this case is still pending for the approval of court judge. Just click on the back button. Alright, so from court judge panel it will come to the court judge panel. Chief judge, that was the chief judge panel, and this is the court judge panel. And I believe that you got to know that what is chief judge panel. Chief judge is the person who sends the case to for hearing to the judge. Means that chief judge is the only person who decide who is the judge going to make the decision on the cases. So this is the court judge panel. There is no cases, nothing is here. It means that there is nothing is here. In court registrar panel you can see it total deceased cases. There are 2 cases which are deceased in court registrar panel, and after that stenographer, scrutiny panel, bailiff panel, and after that case keeper panel. There are 3 number of cases. 2 is deceased cases, 1 is maintained cases, and another is allotted cases, still 0. And after the library panel there is 1 case, only 1 case, and after that appeal section panel, and there is no case. Alright, so this is the way you can check your case, at what stage your case is laying down. Okay, and you can admin is the only person who can see all the number of cases, at what stage, at what section, at what panel. So thank you for listening, and we will give you another demonstration on the same. Till then, thank you, bye bye.